Justin Money, owner of Detective Coatings, uses project management software to help him track leads and organize his workflow in his fast-growing shop. I sit down with him to discuss better ways to do this both digitally and manually, no matter what stage your business is in. He shows us how he categorizes jobs in QuickBooks to track income, and I show you how to determine when it's a good time to transition from garage to commercial. There are lots of freebies, bonuses, and discount codes in this not-to-be-missed episode of the Powder Coater podcast. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.